Well, the COVID-19 cases in Assam is nearing the 200 mark, with the total tally of positive cases reaching 189. According to reports coming in, one more person has tested positive. Well, the fresh COVID case has been detected at the Kokrajhar Quarantine Center, and the samples of the patients were sent to the Borpeta Medical College and Hospital for test, which was tested positive later. Earlier, 31 new COVID-19 cases were reported on Wednesday, where out of these, 14 cases were reported from Guwahati's Sarusajai Quarantine Center and one from Karimganj district, whereas 3 others have been detected at the Borpeta Medical College Hospital. Prior to this, 13 cases were detected, among which 8 were reported in Hojai, 2 from Sonitpur, 1 each from Kamrup Metropolitan and Kamrup Rural and Nagaon. This takes the state's total count of COVID-19 to 189 with 134 active cases. Alright viewers, to give his thoughts on the matter, we are joined by our editor-in-chief Wasbir Hussain at this point of time. Well, Wasbir, the numbers are rising at a rate like never before in the state. This when only 1.5 lakh of the close to 10 lakh people stranded outside have come back. What could be the way forward in such circumstances? Wasbir?
Yes, Priyana, as we have said, that is the breaking story first. One more positive patient has emerged in Assam. This has been confirmed by the tests at the Borpeta Medical College. The person is, of course, under quarantine at the Kokrajhar Quarantine Center. This takes the total to 189, and active cases has gone up to 134.
Right.
48 people have recovered, and there are 4 deaths. So 134 active cases, yes, the number is going up, but most of the people, as the health minister has also said, are people who had come from outside and who are in quarantine. So that is only the silver lining. But yes, one person and health official and health department staff from the Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary Hospital, he contracted the virus while taking swabs, and one person has been referred from a private hospital in the city. So these 1 or 2 cases which are not out of the quarantine, or people who do not have a travel history, these are matters of concern. There is a big question mark as to how or from where they had contracted the virus. So that means that again brings us to the question of caution. One has to be careful. The people have to stay indoors as far as possible. Unless there is need, people should not venture out. So that has been tested, proved again and again and again, because out of the 134 cases, out of the new cases in the last 36 to 48 hours, most of them are undergoing quarantine. That means they had come from outside the state. But 1 or 2 cases, the source of this virus is questionable, and therefore we cannot lower our guard. We have to be cautious. Priyana.
Right, Wasbir rightly said, the number of cases in Assam is rising in a rapid rate, but not just Assam, even from different parts of Assam, and at this point of time, social distancing is the most important for the people at this, crucial juncture. Well, coming back to your question, Wasbir, the way numbers are rising, there may soon be shortage of isolation beds in COVID hospitals. Yes, the government has kept Sonapur Civil Hospital and Kalapahar Hospital on standby, but more capacity building is required, and immediately so, isn't it, Wasbir?
No, the government is absolutely, the Assam government is aware of this. So within the next 1 week or even before that, a 300-bed COVID ward, exclusive COVID ward is coming up at the Guwahati Medical College Hospital. Remember, we have 300 beds. They are almost ready. Within the next 5 to 6 days, this new isolation ward, complete COVID ward in the Guwahati Medical College Hospital is going to come up, equipped to it all facilities, all basic infrastructure like ventilators and ICU beds and all that. So there is not much of a cause for worry. Already few beds are already available at the MMC, 15 to 20 beds are already available still. at the MMC, and besides, of course, the Sunapur and the Kalapahar facilities are there. So besides, of course, the district hospitals. So that way, I think, as of now, in the next 1 week, 10 days, I think there is no cause for worry. But let me also tell you, as far as the other parts of the Northeast are concerned, the people who are coming out, returning home from outside, there are a large number of people who are testing positive. There is a steady number in rise in the number of COVID positive cases, particularly in Manipur. So particularly in Manipur, if you take the case of Churachandpur, several people have been tested positive. So these are some of the developments. These are some of the cause for worry. But yes, the focus of all the state governments, apart from Assam as well as the other northeastern states, has to be on proper and effective quarantine facilities. Let me tell you, the Assam government, Assam police has come up with a health department and Assam police come up with a very innovative idea, the home quarantine. Every quarantine person, everybody who has been sent on quarantine cannot be kept in an institutional facility. Therefore, a lot of people have been sent for home quarantine. But now, the new thing which the Assam police has devised in collaboration with the state health authorities is that the officer in charge of every police station will be made incident commanders. They've used the word incident commander. So every OC of police station will be monitoring those people who are in home quarantine. So this is a new development that has taken place. Already about 100 officer in charges have been trained, sensitized by the police as well as NGOs, and very soon this is already actually set in motion. This has been confirmed by top police officials to Northeast Live this morning, that incident commanders, all officers in charges of respective police stations, will be monitoring the people who are in home quarantine. The basic idea, Priyana, is to make sure that the quarantine is taking place effectively. Because if we have to succeed, if we have to defeat COVID in Assam and the Northeast, we have to make sure that the quarantine takes place effectively. Priyana.
Well, indeed, Wasbir, keeping strict vigil is the key at this point of time. I hope curves in Assam will be more or less flattened and hopefully situation improves. Well, thank you, Wasbir, for joining us and giving us your thoughts on the matter.